The elephant definitely knows they're there, but watch the lions. You can see a lot of them have now dropped their heads. We also want to see what the elephant does. Is he going to charge them? You'll see maybe he opens up his ears, lifts up his head, tries to get into a more scary posture. Okay, watch this, guys. Just watch what's happening. Molly, I'll come back to you now. See, watch the elephant. Watch the lions. See, the first ones to run are the cubs. Remember, we were saying now, 8 out of the 16 are youngsters. They're not going to do anything. This is absolutely incredible. The lions didn't even try.
Oh, it may come to water again.